Hey Nash, what should we make?
Well, Robert requested bulgogi, so we should make that for him.
All right, let's make some bulgogi. Today we're making bulgogi. My apologies if I pronounced that wrong. I'm sure I butchered it. But it's a Korean barbecue beef. This is a request from Robert Spretnak. So thank you, Robert. Really appreciate it. This dish is it's a Korean barbecue beef. It's delicious. It's got a lot of those traditional Korean flavors, kind of that mixture of sweet, savory, and umami. Just a really good beef dish. And it could go with a lot of stuff. You could put it with rice, serve it all kinds of different ways. But regardless, thank you again, Robert. Let's go. So we're gonna start by thin slicing some ribeye. Now, I threw this in the freezer for about 20 or 30 minutes. If you're trying to thin slice raw meat, it's never a bad idea. You can throw it in the freezer and it makes it a lot easier to slice without kind of starting to get mushy. So we're just gonna thin slice our ribeye. Now to make our marinade, first we need to grate a pear. If you can get an Asian pear, that's gonna be best. Whoops. Slippery little bastards. And we'll transfer this to a small bowl. Then we add a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons toasted sesame oil, 3 cloves of garlic minced, tablespoon of minced ginger or grated, 1 tablespoon of gochujang, and we mix. Then we take our meat that I threw into a Ziploc bag, dump that marinade in there, and then we just mix to coat. And then we let that marinate for at least 15 or 20 minutes. A few hours would be better. Overnight would be best. All right, once our meat's marinated in a super hot pan, preferably a wok or a cast iron skillet, which is what we're using here, which according to Uncle Roger is a white people's wok. We're going to put a few glugs of neutral oil. You could use peanut oil. I'm using avocado because it's what I have. And then we place our beef. And we want this to be single layer, so cook it in batches if you have to, depending on how much you have. Flipping once, we're looking for about 2 minutes per side. You want to be careful because clearly I burned a few of these, so I just reduced my heat from super high down to like medium. Then we pull it. So there we have our bulgogi. You can serve this all sorts of ways. You can serve it with rice. You can put a fried egg on top of it. You can do really whatever you want with it. If you're just gonna serve it as is, let's go ahead and top it with some green onion slices and some toasted sesame seeds. And there we have our bulgogi. Time for a bite. Cheers. It's juicy, it's tender, it's sweet, it's savory. There's a little bit of umami. It's amazing. If you've ever had bulgogi, then you know. If you like bulgogi, then you know. Sorry if I'm pronouncing that word wrong. But if you haven't tried it, this is something you should definitely try. It's just really good. I don't really know how to explain it. It's Korean barbecue beef. It is amazing. If you like beef, especially if you like barbecue, especially Korean barbecue, then you definitely need to try this. If you've tried it and you liked it, then you definitely need to make it. Let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, what's going on? I'm gonna try some of this Korean barbecue beef, a little bulgogi, and a shot. What do you think, bud? What do you think? Good? Oh yeah, that's good, huh? That's good, huh? Nash approves. I definitely approve. This is an amazing dish. I love it. If you've ever had it, then you probably love it. If you haven't, then go try it. That's all I can really say. Thank you so much, Robert Spretnak. I think that's how I pronounce it. I have no idea, but this is for you, buddy. You requested it and you got it. So thank you. Love requests. That being said, thank you so much for watching. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, subscribe, share the show, it would mean a lot to us. We'd really appreciate it. Also, if you'd like notifications every time we drop a new episode, go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there's anything you want me to make, you want me and Nash to taste, drop that in the comments, or just go over to the website, timschaoskitchen.com, and send us a message there. Just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, peace.